As Hurricane Melissa barrels down on Jamaica, a West Side family from here in Cincinnati remains hunkered down in their hotel with hundreds of other guests.
Yeah, that family was there on vacation, cutting their trip short, trying to leave the island before the storm. But the flight got canceled because the airport got shut down and they got stuck. Anchor Ashley Kirkland here now. She's been speaking with that family. Hi, Ash.
Hi, guys. Well, the Mormons and others at their hotel are making the most of the scary situation.
Birthday! Come on, everybody, wave your hands, come on! For the birthday folks. Happy birthday to you.
That is at their hotel. The Mormons originally booked their stay at the Bahia Principe from October 20th through the 30th. They said that they knew it was hurricane season, but they're frequent visitors to Jamaica, and they didn't think the impact would hit the island. When they realized how serious this storm would be, they booked a return flight with Delta to get home this past Sunday, but the airport in Montego Bay had already closed down.
But we noticed, even before we contacted Delta and tried to leave, they were already closing some of the restaurants and putting board plywood over the windows, sandbagging lower portions of buildings. So they've been taking it very seriously here since late last week.
So they tell me the hotel has everyone sheltered in place in a central location. They're feeding them there and also providing entertainment as they ride out this storm. And as you heard, quite a few guests there celebrating birthdays at the resort. Ashley Kirkland, WLWT News 5.
All right, Ash.